everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. It's raining pretty heavy in BC, and we don't know if we're going to get snow or not, but we'll certainly find out. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And make sure that you hit the bell notification so you're notified on every time I upload a video. And I normally try to upload a video once a week, sometimes twice a week, but normally once. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Today I have a unboxing, my Christmas present from my husband. So let's see what he got me. Got my blade. Here we go. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Okay, there we go. Ah, it's from Pandora. Oh, that was nice. Let's see what he surprised me with. Alright, so if you've never seen their boxing, it comes like this, a lot like Louis. And your receipt is in the Pandora envelope, which is pretty nice. And it just comes like that, basically, and you get a little care and warranty card from Pandora. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and it looks like there's several boxes in here. And it gives you the pink Pandora, what do you call that, like tissue paper? Alright, so let's go ahead and pull them out. So this is the first box, second box, third box, fourth box. Okay, I don't think this is all of it because I'm missing a charm, and there was also a bracelet. It's the snowflake bracelet, so I'll definitely check my receipt and see exactly what I got here. Yeah, this is only showing 4 of the charms. So maybe the bracelet and the other charm comes from a different warehouse. So we'll keep this just to be on the safe side. And then if they don't come in a few days or whatever, then I'll give them a call. But this is pretty nice. All right, so let's go ahead and reveal my first charm here. And what is this one? Alright, let's see what this one is. They come in these little pouches. Pretty cool. And oh, this is my 60th charm because I'll be 60 February 2nd. I think you have to like cover your face kind of thing because but it comes like this, and then it has a Pandora. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's the 60th. Alright, that's number 1. And the boxes are really nice. See, they give you Pandora here. There we go, you can kind of see it. Alright, there we go. And then you get a little ribbon with it. All right, so that's the first charm. Okay, here's number 2. There we go. I'll do it kind of like a little on the side there. All right, and this one is my Aquarius charm. So let's see what that one looks like. That's pretty cool. Oh no, these are the clips for the ends. Kind of see a little bit. And these are all in sterling silver. I don't know if that's kind of focusing or not. I hope so. Okay. And they all come with this little Pandora. Yeah, you have to kind of do it on the side there. There we go. They all come with this Pandora tag. So that's pretty cool. But I think that's probably what they do, is that they send them from different warehouses. So you only get like you only get a percentage of your order, then the other order comes. But like I said, if it doesn't come in a reasonable amount of time, then I'll contact them. But I think that may be the way that it works. All right, that's the, here we go. Pandora box, pretty cool. All right, and this one is my Aquarius charm. This one's a little ball, which is kind of cool. And then I have these new sorting sticks, and you can put your charms on there, and then you can design what you want to do, basically. Yeah, it's like a little ball, and then it has, let's see here. Yeah, I think that one's going to be kind of hard to see. But it's got little Aquarius symbols on it, which is kind of cool. And then this one only came with the black ribbon. So I'll put that back on the black ribbon there. All right. And I think the last one is the same clip. That I showed before. So the clips are kind of cool because you can anchor whatever you want, like in the middle, and then you can use the clips for the end. Yeah, this is the same. But on the new bracelets, you have to have the little black piece that goes inside the clip in order for it to stay in place, basically. So let me see if I can kind of get the idea. Yeah, they're pretty cool though, actually. And they're like that size there. All right, so that's what I have for today. So that was really super nice of my husband to give me a gift for Christmas. I really love it. And when I get the other 2 pieces, I'll show that as well. All right, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. And there's Hubby, he's doing really good. Thanks for all your kind words. I do appreciate it. He is doing a lot better. And then in a couple weeks, he's going to have some additional surgery. So I'll keep you updated on that. But thanks again for your kind words. We really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye.